On my first Explora Journeys cruise on Explora 1, a question that came up often was, how does it compare to the MSC Yacht Club experience, since they are both owned by MSC? Well, I didn't know, because although I've sailed MSC before, I never experienced the Yacht Club. So I booked a Yacht Club interior cabin, the most affordable Yacht Club cabin, on the MSC Seashore, my second time on this ship, so I could check it out myself. All right, as soon as you walk in, it's a little corner right here, so it is a small, this is an interior room. Of course, your information's on the door. And go over here to this side and you have your control lights here. You do have to have your key card in to operate your lights. You have your do not disturb and your makeup room buttons. You have 3 hooks on the wall here for hanging maybe like your jackets or even your robe. And the first door you come to is the restroom. So we'll go ahead, let's take a peek at the bathroom. So we'll go ahead and open the door. And the first thing you see are your robes. They have 2 robes hanging here for you. Also, as you walk in, you will notice the shower. Now the shower is a little cube with glass doors, which is always nice. Now this is a traditional ship, so yeah, the shower is a little small, but it's just typical of most showers on the ship. If I were to get in, yeah, this is a little tight. This is very, very tight. Let me try to close the door here. Oh yeah, this is very tight. It's like you're gonna be bumping the walls when you take a shower. All right. But again, it's, you know, one of those things on a traditional ship. You know, it's pretty typical of a traditional ship. Of course, you have your hand towels on here, and I like that they're nicely monogrammed. You have a makeup mirror here. And there's lots of mirror space and lighting up above. And coming down, here's your basin area. Glass holders, towels, and they have their own products here. Let's see, this is Fig Fragrance Body Lotion, so I'll give that a whiff to see how that smells. And there's a shower cap, and yeah, 2 shower caps there. Your towels, your hand towels are these shower caps as well. Yeah, so lots of shower caps. This is just for razors, so I do not see outlets inside the restroom. Here is your waste bin, and that is your bathroom. All right, continuing on, outside of the bathroom, here you have your light control for the bathroom and your temperature control here. Now let's go inside the main part of the bedroom. So you have 2 chairs and a large coffee table, which is nice for being inside an interior room. And these chairs look comfy. The coffee table is in front of a large mirror. This is a huge mirror. And when you come into the room, they have slippers here for you. There's 2 sets of slippers, and this is in front of the closet. So our closet on one side, we have our hanging space here. And we'll go to the other side of the closet. And on the other side, we have shelving space, and we our safe here. There's a shoe brush in case you need it. Shelving space, and you have 3 drawers here. Now on the other side, here is your desk area. And on this side, we have our Kleenex up there, 2 glasses, and an assortment of teas and coffee pods, and you have mixed nuts, and you have Pringles, some chips. You have spring water, sparkling water, and your coffee and tea sets here. And here is our refrigerator with, it is a stocked minibar. And lo and behold, look at what we have here. Are we not selling Explora Journeys from the Yacht Club? And they have 2 books on Explora Journeys here. But also here, let me see, I have a welcome letter and something explaining everything that the Yacht Club has to offer. So we're looking at a 24-hour butler concierge service that we have, exclusive access to the 1 pool and bar, and we have gourmet dining, complimentary beverages, private lounge. We can stay connected to 2 devices, and we can rebalance and revitalize, and we have a newspaper catalog. All of that is included in the Yacht Club. Now, I'm gonna have to ask about this here because I see a minibar menu and it has like champagnes and wines, a sparkling wine, and there's price tags on it. But I thought all of this was included, so and especially the snacks down there. So I'm gonna have to find out about this to see whether it is included or not, because there is a price list here. And we have our coffee maker and espresso maker maybe. So we will definitely give that a try while we are here for these 3 days. Now, I'm not a big fan of this, but under the desk you have this little cube, and it doesn't look like it's, you know, that you can open it up or anything. But that's a cube for sitting that you can pull out and sit on it. But I like back support. So if I were to use this area, I would probably use one of these chairs here. And there's additional drawers on this side as well. You have 3 drawers here, 2 mid-size and 1 large drawer. And if you need outlets, yes, behind your coffee maker you have your international, and you have your US outlets as well. And I also see 2 USB ports over there. And here is your bed. This is your king size bed. And on the side of the bed you have a light, and it looks like you have a light, and you have a night light as well, a reading lamp as well. And over here on this side there is a USB port plus some storage area on this side. And if we go to the other side, again we do have our light, our reading lamp, and I do not see outlets on this side. And we have our storage area. So by the bed we have one USB port on one side of the bed, but no outlets on either side. So, but there you have it. This is the interior of the MSC Yacht Club. Now, compared to Explora Journeys, some of the same amenities were complimentary spirits, a stocked and replenishable minibar, a modern coffee maker, and room treats. Explora Journeys had more options for in-room dining, but the Yacht Club had a dedicated butler for all cabins, whereas butlers were available only for certain suites on Explora Journeys. This room was a great elevated experience from the Seashore's standard cabins. Now, of course, this room isn't as great as the Ocean Terrace suites I stayed in on Explora Journeys. That was a suite, so there's no surprise there. But I like that this was an affordable, elevated experience, with it being a shorter Caribbean sailing, something that I can't get on Explora Journeys. This is perfect for a short, pampered getaway. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.